Alternative text. Alternative text or alt text is the text of about 5 to 15 words that you can use for each image, graphic, table, or chart in a document. It is used by screen readers to describe an image or, in case the image is unable to display. To add alternative text to an image, right-click on the image and click Format Picture from the drop-down menu. In the Format Picture tool box, select Alt Text. Provide alternative text only in the description field. Click the Close button. Note, logo images imply text. Any image that has text in it should have that text as the alternative text. You can place other words in the alternative text, but at a minimum it should say the same thing as the image. Here you see the recycling icon. It should also have alt text associated with it. Embedded charts should also be given a text description. Here, this embedded chart that you see before you should have a text description within the context of the document itself. The data that is used to create the chart will be accessible only in the original file, but will not be included in a PDF version. Appropriate tables. Tables can be helpful in organizing content as long as they're properly structured. To create an easy-to-read table, use the Insert Table function. You can add the table headings. It's important to ensure that the proper table headings are carried on even if the table is separated into different pages. To do so, select all of your table headings. Right-click and choose Table Properties from the menu. Click on the Row tab for headings that traverse across a row, and check Repeat as Header Row at the top of each page. Then click on the OK button. Keep your table simple. Ensure that cells take up the same number of rows as you navigate from column to column. This will avoid misinterpretation. The table that you currently see has a more complicated structure. It would be difficult for a screen reader to read this table. Be careful with your color choices when you format. Wrong choices can take away from document legibility. And remember that alternative text also applies here, so add it to each table that you make.
Be sure to check out our other videos in the Best Practices series. Sponsored by the University of Toronto Mississauga Library.